This is my 2016 Toyota 4Runner SR5. It is all stock except for the tires are all-terrain, but they are an original size, they're not oversized. Where I work we have a pond, and the bank around the pond is made out of a shelly sand material. I wanted to try to climb this hill with my 4Runner, because years past I had a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it climbed this hill with very little problems. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has a QuadraTrac II system that's always active. The 4Runner has a A-Trac system in 4-low that you have to push a button to turn it on. What the A-Trac does is the same thing that the QuadraTrac and the Jeep does. If one wheel spins, it applies the brake to that wheel, forcing power to the other wheel. The Jeep, this is always on. The 4Runner, in 4-low, you have to turn it on. And I'm not sure it actually activated. The light never came on the dash. So maybe it was on, maybe it wasn't, and that might be why this didn't do as good as the Jeep did.